America's tech industry is facing its biggest shock in years. 92,000 tech jobs gone. AI replacing humans? Silicon Valley in crisis. More than 90,000 workers have already lost their jobs in 2026. And many experts believe artificial intelligence is accelerating the crisis. Inside Silicon Valley, companies are now racing to replace expensive human labor with faster and cheaper AI systems. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It is now writing code, creating videos, replacing customer support, and for thousands of workers across America, this is no longer just a technology story. It's personal. Many employees spent years, but while workers struggle with layoffs, another battle is happening behind the scenes. A global race for artificial intelligence dominance. Some economists believe artificial intelligence could create entirely new industries and opportunities. The AI revolution is already here, and whether we are ready or not, the future is changing faster than always changed the world. But this time, the speed of change may be unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. The AI revolution is no longer coming. It has already begun. Do you believe artificial Thank you for joining us. Good night. USA Future News. The future of artificial intelligence is being written right now, and the decisions made today could change the lives of millions tomorrow.
Thank you for watching USA Future News. Good night, New York. Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.